I'm going to show you how to stop getting phone calls on your Mac. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So if you want to permanently disable calls from iPhone on your Mac, the first thing you can do is just open your FaceTime app. So it should be right over on your docs. Just scroll down. You can see it right over here. Just go ahead and tap there. Now, after you tap here, just look at the top left corner where you can see this option right here that says FaceTime. Just click here. Now you have options like About FaceTime, Settings, Remove all recent, Services, and many more. Just go ahead and tap on Settings. And after you're here, you have multiple options again. You just need to focus on Calls from iPhone, which is right over here. So right next to it, you can see this button is used for iPhone cellular account to make and receive calls when your phone is nearby and on Wi-Fi. So if you don't want to get the calls, just turn it off like this and go back. And there you go, that should do it. So in this way, you can successfully stop getting phone calls on your Mac. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.